Hello students, welcome to your computer class. We are doing chapter first, computer devices, and we have learned till now that a computer is an electronic machine which is made up of various devices. A computer is made up of four types of devices: input devices, processing devices, output devices, and storage devices. Input devices we have already done as keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, joystick, light pen and web camera, and we have seen that CPU is the processing devices of computer. Okay, now today we will discuss output devices. What are output devices? Output devices are used to display the result after processing the data. Okay, here we have some output devices in the picture. Let's start reading about them. The first one is monitor. It is the screen of the computer and looks similar to a television in appearance. Monitor is the screen of the computer, and when you see it, you will find that it is just like a television. On television, you see different kinds of programs on its screen. So in the same manner, we have the screen on the monitor, and it displays the result after processing the data or instructions given by an input device. When we enter the data or when we enter the instructions through input devices to the computer, it goes for the processing, and after the processing is done, it displays the result on the screen of the computer. Okay, so where do we see the result? We see the result on the monitor, which means on the screen of the computer. The output that we get on a monitor is called a soft copy. So whatever the result that is shown on the screen of the computer is called a soft copy, not a hard copy. Hard copy we can touch it, okay, but a soft copy we cannot touch it. Can you touch the feelings? No, na? So in the same manner, whatever the result that is shown on the screen, we cannot touch that, and that's why it is called a soft copy. Okay, and it is also called VDU. What is the full form of VDU? Visual Display Unit. Learn it. Okay, VDU, visual display unit. So it is also called the VDU. Monitor screen is also called the VDU. Okay, moving on, the next hardware device is, and the output device is printer. As the name suggests, printer is used for printing. The output that is printed on a paper using a printer is called a hard copy. सो प्रिंटर से ही आपको समझ में आ गया वर्ड से, प्रिंटर किस वर्ड से बना है? प्रिंट वर्ड से. प्रिंट मीन्स छापना. ठीक है, तो प्रिंटर की हेल्प से जितने भी कोई भी पिक्चर्स हो या कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट आपका हो, वो उसका प्रिंट आउट हमें मिल जाता है थ्रू द प्रिंटर. ओके, और वो जो हमें उसकी जो कॉपी मिलती है प्रिंट होके, उसे हम हार्ड कॉपी कहते हैं. इट इज़ कॉल्ड ए हार्ड कॉपी बिकॉज वी कैन टच इट. Okay, we can see it, we can touch it, that's why it is called a hard copy. There are three types of printers: laser printer, inkjet printer, dot matrix printer. A laser printer is a popular type of personal computer printer that uses a non-impact, which means keys don't strike the paper, and photocopier technology. When a document is sent to the printer, a laser beam draws the document on a selenium coated drum using electrical charges. Okay, so it's all about the laser printer. Then we have inkjet printer. Inkjet printing is a type of computer printing that recreates a digital image. Okay, and it recreates a digital image by propelling droplets of ink onto paper and plastic substrates. Inkjet printers are the most commonly used type of printer, and it range from small inexpensive consumer models to expensive professional machines. Okay, तो हर एक आपको ये चीप प्राइस में ही मिल सकते हैं, साथ ही साथ बहुत एक्सपेंसिव प्रोफेशनल्स जो यूज़ करते हैं मशीन्स उसमें ही मिल सकते हैं. ओके, सो ये सबसे पॉपुलर है प्रिंटर बिकॉज इट प्रिंट्स द डिजिटल इमेज. ओके, dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printing, it is also called impact matrix printing, and it is a computer printing process in which ink is applied to a surface using a low resolution dot matrix for layout. Okay, now we have speakers. You must have seen speakers many times, and it is attached to the computer, and what do we get through speakers? We get sounds. Okay, so speakers are used to listen to music and play sound effects from the computer. So speakers, here in the picture you can see that speakers are also an output device, and we get the result whatever. Sometimes we give the instructions to the computer, and we get the result through speakers as well, because we want to hear the sound. Suppose if we want to listen to any song, and if we searched for any song in the search bar on computer, then the result will be shown onto the monitor, and then the sound will come out through the speakers. Okay, so speakers are really important device, and it is also called an output device. So that's all with today's class. I hope you have understood that what are the output devices. These are monitor, printer and speakers, and you have to learn all these. I'll see you next class. Thank you.